Rob Wood. Lights on the car corner pace truck are out. I think they're going this time by. They are. Here we go, race fans. Green flag and we're racing. Oh, they're beating and banging in the first lap. It's Greg Witt and Rob Wood to beat and bang. Witt's got a lot to prove. His car was totaled out the last time he was here, and everybody's up on the wall. We got 4 and 5. Whoa, the 22. And these, oh, look out, Lisa Drummer into the wall. Every which way. Brian Nayland Jr. just about ran over the 46 car there. Look out. Wow, that was crazy. I don't even think we got through lap 1. All right. He had a
and there's 15 laps
I think is what it was. And yeah, that car got totally destroyed there on the back stretch. And yeah, rough go for Greg Witt. So I know he's definitely wanting to get back into this race and maybe even get a win here, as the 23 of Brian Nayland Jr. now is joining the field. So the lights on the car corner pace truck are out, and they're going to bring them around. Let's do this again. They're entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And they're 3 wide already, and they're hooked. Whoa. Dallas Conniff and Zachary Hawkins were hooked. And, oh, look out. The 151S of Robert Stoltz just about went sideways. Gregory Witt hanging in there. Here we go. It's getting crazy. Yellow flag is out as we've got a fender bender and a half in turn 4. And that would be Bradley Lounsbury, the 16 of Zachary Hawkins. And I can't make out the other 2 cars. I think the Ryan Ford machine, the 33 of Ryan Ford's also involved in that. And I can't make out the one there that's caught up in there. I don't know. All right. See, it's fun. Yeah. Go get a 6-cylinder car and come race with us. You don't even have to be good. Greg Witt calls himself the Green Machine, so the lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Next row, Julie Henricks and Justin Tyler right behind them. As they're going to pick up speed, Rob Wood will set the pace. Pace car is out. And green flag, and we're racing! Into turn 1. Witt's going to try to pull away. He might. Whoa, hang on to it, Joshua Zacharias. He almost went every which way but loose. Dallas Conniff and Justin Tyler looking to try to get around the 100 car. And Gregory Witt's coming around. Julie Henricks just about in the middle of a sandwich there. Seth Hansen on the inside of Henricks. Dakota Paris went 3 wide and got in the back of Dallas Conniff. He almost went sideways. Great driving by the 11 of Dallas Conniff. Oh, Justin Hawkins loses control, makes contact. Joshua Zacharias had nowhere to go except for into him. All right, yellow flag out, yellow flag out. We got to slow him down. Hopefully everybody sees it. Hang on, 100. 100 doesn't know. Whoa, he gets into the back of Dakota Paris. You got to slow down for yellow flag there, Rob. All right. Interesting. And Joshua Zacharias, I don't know what that was about. He ran right into the back of him that time. 1 to go next time by. Our new leader is either Gregory Witt or Justin Tyler. But the 100 of Rob Wood is already way too high. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe he's handling some handling issues. But the lights on the car corner pace truck are out. Check up everybody. He's going to pick up speed now. They're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And we're 3 wide with Wood, Cavan, and Stoltz. Tyler and Conniff battling it off, coming out of turn 2. Man, Rob Wood just likes running that wall there. He's got to get back on the groove there. Whoa, look out. Rob Wood trying to step up there, and he's way high there in that 100 again. He wants a memento of the wall from the Rockford Speedway. Maybe that's what it is. And Tyler, Greg Witt just lost control, but here comes Justin Tyler now. Justin Tyler to take the lead on Greg Witt's mistake. Dallas Conniff going right with them. These are some hungry drivers, fans. Dakota Paris now looking to make his move as him and Dallas Conniff are neck and neck. Here comes David Cooter Jr. in the 70 car. We're 3 wide for third. How about that? Still 3 wide. Whoa, Dakota Paris about lost it. David Cooter Jr. taking advantage of that. Dallas Conniff had nowhere to go right there, but right behind of Dakota Paris. But it's David Cavan and Robert Stoltz, the 151 team, right behind those guys. Justin Tyler out there all by himself there. And everybody else bunched out. Yellow flag out, and there goes the 100 car. I kind of knew that was coming, and there goes the tire. Oh, Justin Tyler does whatever he could to avoid that tire. He almost drove into the X trying to get out of the way of that tire. So the lights on the car corner. Oh, we're running into the back of everybody as somebody checked up. And now we're going to get going again. Lights on the car corner. Pace truck are out. They're now entering the Raw Steel Collision Center restart zone. Green flag, and we're racing. Into turn 1. It's going to be David Cooter Jr. to challenge Justin Tyler. Here we go. 3 wide with Hansen and Cavan and Witt, as Witt is off the pace. He was in the lead earlier. So far, it's Tyler, followed by Cooter. And now it's Dakota Paris trying to work on Dallas Conniff. As they come around again. David Cooter right on the rear end of Justin Tyler, challenging him for the lead. Conniff out there in third by himself now. Dakota Paris and Seth Hansen now battling for fourth. White flag out for Justin Tyler. And there's something on the track. Hang on to it. Oh, baby. Justin Tyler gets the win. Followed by David Cooter Jr. Yep. He knows it's over. Wow. Everything in the kitchen sink is out there. Hold that thought. Marty. All right. Sponsored by MTL Manufacturing and Equipment, CB Enterprise, 2M Lawn Care. Was trying to, thank you, Mikey. This driver's got the name Bam Bam on the Tornado. All right, Justin Taylor, come here. Hey, how you doing? All right. Come on. And you know what? It's okay because this is, and this doggone mic has been my problem all night. Justin, this has been a very special night for you as we made the announcement. Justin, it was on the 28th of this month that 19 years ago you lost your daughter. And I am so sorry. This win, you guys aren't racing next week. This win is everything for her. And I know it is. And I mean, you look what you had to drive through She was with you in that car. I know she was. Let's stand over here because I got a signal right now. Justin, talk about that race.
It was a little crazy there for a while. I was just two in front of me were hitting each other a lot, so I just kind of rode behind them. But once there was an opening, we went for it.
Come on, I know you got people you want to thank, buddy.
First of all, Frisch Signs, they do an awesome job on the car, made it look awesome. MTL Manufacturing, Steve, he helped me get the car together. Bobby, he helped get the car together. A lot of people helped out with it.
I am very happy for you tonight. You had to work very hard to be in this spot, and there was a lot of other drivers that would have given anything to be where you're at. So, Justin Tyler, man, congratulations, sir. Definitely. All right, again, Rockford Speedway. Make some noise, Justin Tyler.